once again, guys. I know I haven't been posting. I'm sorry. Really no excuse why I haven't been posting. I just haven't been posting, to be honest. I just haven't been in the mood to post. But nonetheless, guys, the last 3 videos, I said I was going to get on a schedule, start posting consistently. So let's make 4th time the charm. And I will be posting 1 video a week for sure. But guys, I'm definitely trying to get on a little consistency system here and keep me to it, guys. If you guys know me, if you guys have me on any social media, text me, tell me, hey, where's the video, la la la. Guys, it helps more than you guys think. So I really appreciate this. And this will for sure be the last time that I say this. But to make up for me not posting, guys, I'm dropping an absolute banger video today, guys. You have to watch this entire video throughout. I'm gonna give you a strategy video, my exact strategy that I use every day when I'm trading. Same exact strategy. I'm not changing nothing. I'm not full transparency. You're gonna see it all. I'm gonna show you a live example. Well, not live because I didn't record live, but a real example this morning. This wasn't no trade that was 3, 4, 5 months ago. It is a live trade that was taken this morning. Same exact strategy. And as you guys can see by the title, $10,000 profit. All right, I'm gonna break down the whole analysis. I'm gonna show you guys the chart work, and I'm gonna show you the proof of, you know, the profit, guys. So make sure you watch this video all the way throughout. And you guys, you already know we gotta get the plugs in here. If you've been watching my video, we do these plugs every time before the video starts, so get used to it because I will not stop doing it. And guys, today's plug will be the live trading Discord, guys. So there is a free section of my Discord. You guys could join, you could chat in there, and completely free, no problems, right? There is a premium version of the Discord, which will of course will always be down below in the links below. And then the premium, you guys can watch me live trade every morning, guys. I live trade every morning from 9:30 to 11:30. I am on the live stream, guys. Only the premium members could join the live stream. The free members could see it, but you cannot join in and watch me trade live. Okay, I trade live every morning. You guys can hop in, you can ask me questions, you could try to speak, and then if I got time, then I'll allow people to speak in there. We'll do some type of Q&A or something like that. But guys, every Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 11:30, I'm there trading live. You guys could trade with me, you guys could take my trades, you guys can ask me questions. Thank you very much. That'll be the only plug for today. All right, guys, switch over to the chart work. So first and foremost is the question I always get asked. I get asked this the most out of any question is, what is your strategy? And a lot of people overcomplicate this question. They overcomplicate what a strategy should be. In my terms, simplistic is key. The more simple your strategy is, the easier it is to follow, the easier it is to do everything around it. The easier, you know, your risk management will be around it, the easier you'll be able to look for trades, and the easier you'll be able to execute your trades. So simplicity is key here, guys. Don't overcomplicate your strategy. I keep it as simple as possible. The only things I use in my charts are lines for trend lines, and that's it. What am I, guys? I am a breakout momentum trader, guys. All right, I only look for breakouts. Why only breakouts? Because when it breaks out, momentum will carry us forward, right? A lot of people ask me, what are my stop loss, guys? My stop loss are from 10 pips or 10 points, wherever you want to do it, to 20. That's it. 10 to 20 are the only stop losses I use. Nothing more, nothing less, and nothing changes. That's it. What is my R to R? A lot of people want to know this too. What is your risk to reward ratio? Right now on this trade, it was a 1 to 10. I risked 10 to make 100, right? Usually this is not how I do it. Usually it is a 1 to 4. So I'll risk 10 for 40, or vice versa. You'll risk 20 to make 80. 1 to 4, I feel like, is the sweet spot. I'm using 1 to 10 right now because I'm practicing and I'm testing it out, but 1 to 4 is the sweet spot that works every time. With the 1 to 10, you're gonna get break even a lot. Like, you're gonna hit break even a lot. And that's what I've noticed as I've been using this strategy for the last couple of weeks. I hit break even a lot. Even though those good TPs are nice, the $10,000 ones are nice, I think you'll make more money hitting the 1 to 4 is the 4,000 and less break evens. Because I've had a lot of this go up like 6, 7, 8, and then just come back down to break even. So keep that in mind, guys. 1 to 4 RR is what I recommend. It does work with anything else, but I wouldn't go higher than a 1 to 10. I wouldn't go higher than 100 points at all. Remember, the market is hard, it's complicated. News affects it, people talking affects it, the market, everything affects this market, right? So don't try to be in the market longer than you have to be in it. Your TPs, keep it under 100 points, in my opinion. You do whatever you want, but if you're watching this video, it's because you want to know my strategy, and this is what I do. Remember, we're only looking for breakouts. Momentum is going to carry us forward. And another thing, guys, while I'm on topic, I'm talking about strategy. You have to trade your session. If I'm trading US 30, you have to trade New York. Just, you have to, guys. You have to. If I'm trading GJ, I need to trade London. It's just the way that things work. Don't go in New York session trying to trade GJ. Why? It doesn't make sense. Don't go in London session trying to trade US 30. Don't trade the Asian session at all. That's the way I see it. That's what's been working for me. I'll put up my certificates here that you guys could show that I'm profitable. Guys, just don't do it. It's just not how things work. If you guys want to do it, then by all means, you do you. Keep going. If it's working for you, great. If it's not, then you know why. So those are mostly the main questions I get asked about my strategy. Is let me go back to it. What's my stop loss? What's my RR? How do I find trades? We'll go over that right now in the video. And that's basically it. If you guys have any questions on it, put it in the comments below, and I'll answer in the comments for sure this time. Now, how do I find the trade is the next thing people are going to want to know, right? Mind you, what time did I say I start trading? I started trading at 9:30, right? So we're going to be right over here. I think I have this little thing right here that shows you 9:30, right? So I'm right here. I started in New York only, right? And I will trade all the way to 11:30. So I'm done right here. Of course, if the trade is running, I'll let it run, but I don't like to take open positions right after 9:30 or after 11:30. I'm sorry. After 11:30, I call it a day. I'm only in here for 2 hours. I hate looking at the charts. I don't want to look at them more than I have to. So only 2 hours. You're in and you're out. And that's a great way not to over trade, not to revenge trade. If you know 11:30 you're out, you're not going to come back to the charts. So mind you guys, that's how I do it. A lot of people are going to ask, what time frame do I trade? 5-minute only. That is the only thing I trade. I'm a scalper. We're only in here for a couple minutes. I don't care what's going on in the weekly. I don't care what's going on in the daily. 4 hours too much. 1 hour, 30 minutes, maybe the 15-minute. Maybe. That's a real maybe. You know, if I'm feeling it, like if it's a good trade that I want to hold for a little bit longer, I'll look at the 15-minute. All my trades happen from the 5-minute only. That's the only thing I'm going to tell you. You do whatever you want with that. That's all I'm saying, okay? Now, how do I find the trade? Remember, we are momentum traders. We are looking for breakouts, right? I have my trend line right here. My trend line is going up, right? This 5-minute candle right here broke the trend line. You see, above the trend line, above the trend line. This one broke, but did not count. There's no bottom. There's no significant break right there, right? This one above the trend line, above the trend line, right? Boom, bearish candle broke it. We're going up right here, guys. Look, we're going up, right? So if I'm going up, then I'm looking for a bearish candle to break out of it, right? Vice versa. If we're going down, I'm looking for a bullish candle to break above it, right? I'm doing the opposite of whatever it does, right? Bump. Trend is going up, so I'm looking for a bearish candle. Bump. There is the bearish candle right here. It broke the trend line. Bump. I'm waiting for a little retest up, and I'm going to take it at the lows again. That's it. That's all I did in this trade right here, guys. Back to it again one more time, right? I'm going to explain it one more time. I'm going to go a little bit slower. I mean, there's not much to it, but I'm going to go a little bit slower. 9:30 happens, right? So I'm starting to look right here in this channel right here. Mind you, I was late on this too, because if you look right here, we're going in an uptrend right here. This broke, right? Retested. I wanted to go up a little bit, and then I want to take a sell at the lows when it breaks again right here. Going to forward. Boom. That's the trade I wanted to take. Boom, boom. I was late on it. That's fine. I missed it. And I was looking at it too, but I think I couldn't get in on time. But this was my original trade right here, right? Came up, started retesting again. Okay, so we didn't get into this. That's fine. Drew my trend line, broke my trend line, right? It's a breakout. I waited for it to retest, and I took the sells at the low. That's all I did, guys. And then I carried it 1 to 10. I could have carried it 1 to 3, 1 to 300, actually 1 to 30. But like I said, I was only going for 1 to 10. It's better to take money than, you know, to leave money and not get anything at all. But guys, that is the simplistic of it. That's all I'm doing. I draw a trend line. I wait for it to break the trend line, retest, and I sell at the lows again, or the tops, whatever it is, right? One more example that we could do is right over here, guys. Look, the trend line is coming down, under it, under it, under it, under it. I wouldn't count this as a break just because it's a doji candle. I didn't like the way it broke. This one, this candle right here broke it, right? This candle broke it. I waited for the retest, and now I'll take the buys at the high right here. That is all I'm doing, guys. It is nothing right there. You might have got stopped out. Yeah, you probably got stopped out. Back to another thing that I do. Guys, you have to break even right away. If you're scalping, if you're doing anything of this type of trading where you're only going for 10, 20 stop losses, you have to break even right away. I like to break even anywhere between 10 to 15 points in profit. Once you're in profit, break even. I would rather break even 6-7 times than hit one stop loss. It's just the way I like doing it. It's just the way I've always been doing it. So break even right away, guys. So right here, this trade would have broke us even. Bum, retested, bum. If this would have came back down, yep, we probably would have got stop break even right here. That's if you're doing the 10. This is what I also recommend doing the 20. If you guys would have done the 20, or you got stopped out, we might have got stopped out. You probably would have got stopped out. That would have probably stopped you out too as well. But you guys get the hang of it. You're going to get a lot of break evens. As long as you break even, you're fine. There's not a stop loss hit. And then you go for your TPs, guys. Remember, simplistic trading. You guys don't want to overcomplicate this. Breakout trading. Wait for it to break the trend line, retest it, take it at the lows. Trust me, you guys will make money every time. Here's the profit for today's video. Boom, $10,000, guys. And this is how I make my money on everything. All those certificates you saw earlier, this is the same strategy I use for it. I know that was a fast video, a quick breakdown. I can't give you guys the full video because I like to keep the videos under 10 minutes. So I can't give you like the full strategy, but that is the gist of the strategy. There's a little bit more to it, but that's more or less the outcome of it, the gist of it. So you guys can keep going and try it out for yourself and see how you like it. But more than likely, guys, that is how I trade. That is my strategy. I'll say 80% of the strategy. I'll do another 20% of other things that you guys, I won't put in the video because, you know, that's for premium members. That's for, of course, later on down the road, that's for like other stuff like that, guys. Basically, I gave you a lot of information, a lot of good information. Take it down, rewatch the video one more time because I did go extremely fast. You know, I like keeping the video short, but go over it again. Go try it out on yourself. See how you like it. See if you know, anything that I was saying, see if it touches anything in your memory. You might be like, this time frame, this stop loss, break even. It might help you in your strategy. It might help you in your trading. Just try it out, see how you guys like it. If you guys like this type of video, comment down below what next video I should do. Guys, I'm definitely trying to post more often. I'm sorry about not posting, but we are back to it, guys. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and you guys will see the next stuff. See you guys. Peace.